Hi, I'm Matthew, the Chartered Structural Engineer at Wickens Engineering. I'm here today to answer your questions on cantilever racking. Today we're asking, what are the safety considerations for my cantilever racking? Safety is critical for cantilever racking, right from the first conceptual design to its use on your site. In the design process, we need to ensure that the load is going to be evenly distributed along the arm length. If it isn't going to be evenly distributed along the arm length, we need to design for it, allowing for something called front loading or non-symmetrical loading. During the use of the cantilever racking, your forklift drivers need to place the load carefully on the arms to ensure they aren't damaged through any impact loading. Regular inspections of your cantilever racking and training of your forklift drivers is critical during its use. If you've got any more questions, please contact us at asktheexpert@wickens.co.uk and see you next time.